Hello guys, you're welcome to Coinspace. I am Austin. Now I did tell you that the confidence of the investors are dropping. Yes, the confidence level is dropping, and you can see it here on the fear and greed index that it has dropped to 28. And see what has been happening all throughout the past couple of days. Yesterday is 28, last week is 27. But remember, there was a time it was just right here around 6:47. Yes, it was just right here. And if you followed my video, you're gonna see where I talked to you about the confidence of the investors actually dropping. Well, if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button because it does help me a whole lot. It helps my YouTube algorithm, and also do well to subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section if you've got something to say about the video. Now let's hop right to crypto bubbles and see what is actually happening in the market currently. Now right here on crypto bubble, you can see that the market is not so great. The confidence level is still affecting the market based on the global inflation that is actually happening across the world. Now, you can take the global inflation away from the market. It affects the stock market. It affects whatever markets people trade on currently, even as far as to food, the food we eat, it does affect everything. But you can see that Luna is doing pretty well. Yeah, Luna is doing quite well. Well, contrary to what I thought earlier, that Luna is actually not very strong this period. But as you can see, Luna is actually showing a strong sign. But I still feel that it's going to go down, much more down, because this rally here will not be sustained much because of the current economic situation. Although with the lunar fork and everything going on in the lunar community, the it's actually looking all gloomy, looking all perspecteful. But in the current light of events, lunar classic is still going to drop down to probably about 0.9803. Yes, around that range is certainly going to crash down back, where it's going to build a momentum back up again to actually surpass this particular position it got to. But Bitcoin has actually been crashing with the level of confidence of investors crashing as well. We can see here that Bitcoin has crashed so badly. It's moved up from around here when it got to 24. Yes, it got to 24. It got to 25 rather, sorry, forgive me, it got to 25, and now it's currently at 19,000. Now that is much more than a 20% crash, and this is affecting the market big time. Well, we all know that Bitcoin sets the benchmark for other cryptocurrency. Yes, it does, and once it crashes, it affects everything in the market. Well, there was a rally before the crash, so we're all thinking that the rally was going to continue, but it didn't continue. It was followed by this crash. But if we come to Ethereum, we're going to see that Ethereum had a very strong rally following the merge. Following the news of the merge is going to take place in September 19. But before then, if you followed my video, I said that before then, the market is still going to push. We're going to witness an Ethereum rally. And after the merge, Ethereum might as well surpass Bitcoin in the long run. Yes, I make bold to say that Ethereum might surpass Bitcoin in the long run. But currently, right now, we're still very skeptical if the merge is going to push up the market because of the strong downtrend we're seeing now. Although there's still a lot of days ahead. Today is just 20, I think 28. Now from 28 we'll have 29, we'll have 30, and then we'll have 31 up to the 1st of September till on the 19th. We still have a lot of days to go, which can actually cause a lot of events in the crypto world. 1 hour is a lot of time in the crypto world. So let's see what is going to happen. Hopefully the market is going to rebound. Most likely, most definitely, the market is going to rebound. back to this position where it's definitely going to take up to where it was before around this 2030. You know what, Ethereum tested 2030 and then crashed back again. Now we're actually hoping it was going to push more than that, but it couldn't. Yes, it couldn't, because the market is actually recovering from a very huge crash, which is going to take the investors much more confidence to actually push much more than that. And if you check at this point, the whales went out of the market massively. They went all out of the market, and you can see how it affected the market. The trading volume dropped, the market capitalization dropped. So the market is quite dicey this period. Yes, the market is quite dicey. So what I will advise you to do, like I've always advised you to do, is to keep dollar cost averaging. Always dollar cost average. Do not forget dollar cost averaging. It does help you a whole lot from a lot of volatility and a lot of loss, and a lot of it saves you from time. It saves you from the time of waiting for a long time to actually get profit, because when you buy at a lower point, if you're already gotten at a higher point, then you're pushing your profit to somewhere closer, not at that initial point it was. Now that is one of the most important advantage of dollar cost averaging, and like you know, it also increases your investment and makes you to make more money. So it's safer to dollar cost average. And remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm just a guy in this space saying what he knows based on what he has studied. And if you must trade, don't go into the market with everything you've got. No, no, no. Don't do that. Don't go into the market with everything you got. Go into the market with some part of it. Then you see how the market is going. You can dollar cost with the rest, that the remaining, you dollar cost with it, and see how the market goes. Don't go in with everything. So if you like this content, kindly smack the like and the subscribe button. It does help me a whole lot. And do want to drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to it. Thank you. This is Austin, and this is Coinspace.